Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start an Audi R8. First, ensure your vehicle is in either park or neutral. Next, take your key fob and insert it into the designated ignition slot, usually found on the dashboard. With the key in place, firmly press down on the brake pedal using your right foot. These initial steps prepare your high-performance vehicle for ignition, ensuring a safe and proper start every time you get behind the wheel. Once the initial steps are complete, locate the engine start-stop button. This button is commonly found on the center console or dashboard. With your foot still on the brake, press and hold this button for a few seconds. You will hear the powerful engine turn over and ignite, bringing your Audi R8 to life. The process is designed for simplicity, allowing you to quickly enjoy the driving experience. After the engine starts, take a moment to observe your dashboard. Check for any illuminated warning lights or indicators, ensuring everything is functioning correctly. Confirm that the gear selector is in the desired position, whether that's drive or reverse. It is also good practice to allow the engine a brief moment, perhaps 30 to 60 seconds, to warm up slightly before engaging in spirited driving. This helps optimize performance and longevity. Finally, a few important considerations for your Audi R8. Always ensure there is sufficient fuel in the tank before attempting to start the vehicle. It is also highly recommended to familiarize yourself with your specific model's owner's manual for any unique details. Lastly, avoid aggressive acceleration immediately after a cold start. Allow the engine to reach its optimal operating temperature for best performance and engine health. Enjoy your drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.